Greetings everybody, this is Barry from HEW Machine Repair, here doing a video. Today we are demonstrating how to remove a head using the mill head removal post. Pretty easy process. We've had a lot of requests for this video, so here it goes. What you're going to need is the post, Allen wrenches, a 3/4 inch wrench or a tool to remove the head, a 3/4 inch collet, and a drawbar, which you should have the drawbar all the way in your machine. So the way that I do this is put the drawbar in, and then put the collet in, and if you got a collet key, make sure you line it up, get it started. Put my post in, snug it up a little bit. Okay, take my T-slot, my bolts off. Now what our goal is going to be to have this line up with the front T-slot. So, obviously you can see how low our knee is. I'm actually using our drill powered knee crank handle. Get it up very close. Okay, now your goal is to put the T-slots in the front. So what I do is I'll take my T-slots, my T-nuts, I slide them into about where they need to go. Crank my knee back, and this is a very stiff machine. This machine is actually in here for a rebuild, which is this one we're going to be doing all the way work, complete machine rebuild, head rebuild, everything. So to get it in place, get your Allen wrench out, ready, and what you may need to do is, like here, I'm not exactly lined up, so I take my small wrench, need to come up just a hair more now. Now, interesting thing about this is this head is so far out of tram, I'm not even close here. So I will correct that here in a minute. But again, this thing came in for a rebuild that probably just never got lined up exactly correct. So anyway, we're tightened down, we're good. We're tight here, I'm tight up here. So at this point right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the 4 nuts from the front of the head. There's 4 washers here too. So as you crank this out, it's going to want to, the washers will probably fall off. So keep track of them. If you have the pin, make sure it's pulled to the out position. Now, what I do is I kind of grab the top as I'm moving out, and you're rocking a little bit. See, this particular customer had a very unique handle. Some homemade thing, pretty cool though. Okay, now we're down. Now, what could happen here is possible would be like this, where we're all the way out, we're not in. So at this point here, you would need to crank your ram back. Very common problem. So you'll just loosen these. There we go. And see how the bolts are backing out? There you go. Now, your head is off, it's stationary, no problems at all. So what you would do to remove it would either we put a strap right here, we pick it up with a fork truck and move it off. Or if you didn't have help, if you had 3 people, you could actually take this, loosen these, slide them back slightly, and tilt his head back where a couple guys could catch it. But basically that's what we got. We have now demonstrated removing a head using the mill head removal post. So thank you for watching, and as always, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day.